Today we're looking at the GoPro Hero 7 Black. You know, you guys have all seen it. The battery is not very big. It doesn't last very long. It's nice for little short takes. But what if you wanted your camera to, if you were doing some long takes and you wanted to make it last longer? Well, guys, that's where this refuel kit comes in. This refuel kit extends recording time for GoPro, and it works on the Hero 7 just like the 6 and the 5. It's reportedly extends your 4K 30 up to 6 hours, your 1080p 60 up to 8 hours, and your 720p up to 9 hours. So it's waterproof, dust proof, and it's okay in extreme cold and heat. So this unit, I think it says, has 2 different mounts. It's got a GoPro mount, and it's also got a 1/4-20 mount. Like it says, up to 9 hours recording on a single charge, waterproof up to 33 feet, allows for hours of continuous underwater use, dust and dirt proof. It's also got pass-through power, lets you connect external power source and record forever. It's okay for extreme heat and cold, works from 0 to 110 degrees. So this sliding base for the tripod mount and a sliding base for the GoPro mount. So this is the box that it comes in. Now when I picked up my GoPro, I wanted to extend the use for recording purposes without fiddling with the camera. So this is the unboxing, guys, of the refuel. So it comes in this clear plastic pack with the instructions and the mounts. So this is a unit. Your camera sits in there like that. There's where the slide mount goes. Power button. It's also got this locking charge port with a nice O-ring over it to keep any water from getting in while you're swimming, diving, or whatever you want to use the GoPro for. It locks securely. So it's got this flip over tab. Now there's some reports that this tab breaks. So what I've found is you squeeze it, take the tension off of this little tab, and then leave that tab without being stressed. Excuse me. This is what the unit looks like, guys. So comes with your charge cable, instructions, and 2 slide mounts. Now this is the, see if I can get a focus there. Yeah, this is the GoPro mount, slides in. These are the tabs that locks into. Now, this thing slides in very firmly, guys, so I suggest you get some liquid silicone to lubricate it, because when I first tried it, it is really, really firm. Now you get a nice satisfying click there, and these tabs are very tough to disengage. And when you've got the friction of it in that groove, it doesn't want to come out. This is what your GoPro is going to look like in this refuel kit. It's nice not having to deal with external cables and everything if you're doing some things. Now I do think it makes it a little top heavy and might not be good for extreme sports. Your mileage may vary on that. But you can access all your buttons, the microphones. So, let's see. To turn this on, hold the button down. Let's see if I get some lights here. There they are. Okay, those lights are lit. I don't know, I have a little focusing issue there. See there? Okay. So when you turn it, you can see your GoPro is now charging. So it's a pass-through thing. You got to have your regular GoPro battery in here. But when you start up your GoPro, you'll see in the screen right here that it is showing a charge. So that's really all there is to it, guys. It's called the Refuel, waterproof, perfect for the GoPro. Now I do have one recommendation. I used it for some gardening work for my wife yesterday and we left it on and it was in the sun. So the GoPro did overheat and shut itself down. So even though you got all that battery power, it doesn't mean that you're going to be able to set it and forget it, guys. Of course, you know, that's the same way the Sony a6300. Sony's famous for overheating. It's a lot going on in there. You're charging this battery and using the battery, creating heat. Not alone, also the 4K 60 creates a lot of heat. So, you know, just beware, guys. You have to monitor your equipment. Your mileage may vary. All in all, I'm very satisfied with it because for me, changing those little batteries is not very convenient. But of course, I'm not using this in an action setting. I'm using it in a more of a for photography. Some movement and stuff, but not so much where you're slamming things around and banging it and stuff. So it does look rugged, but it does add some weight for when you're if you're on a bracket. It's going to add some weight to that. Make it want to flop on you. So you'll have to compensate. But you guys know what to do. If it meets your needs, please hit like and subscribe. Well, not if this meets your needs. I hope you like this video. If this video was entertaining and informational, please hit like and subscribe, guys. I really appreciate it. So there you have it, guys. The refuel for the GoPro. Now, I'm not endorsing GoPro or the refuel. This is merely information only. I don't make any profit on this. I don't get any kickbacks on it, and I have purchased all this with my own finances. This is just for your information only. Hopefully I can help somebody. I know that YouTube has helped me a lot with all kinds of things, from fixing my washer and dryer to everything in between, guys. So have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next one.